Hello friends, welcome back. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Welcome back our YouTube channel Commerce John and Commerce Guidance. First of all, we are going on the chapter number 3, Economic, Gujarat Board. Chapter number 3, Money and Inflations. So first of all, meaning of barter system. Barter is a system of exchange goods or services against the goods and services without using such as a medium like money. Okay. So first of all, as per example कि wheat producers farmer exchange the wheat against the rice, shoes making company exchange the shoes against the cloth. In the olden days, I am talking about olden days, before the evaluation of money. Olden days, okay, before the evaluation of money. Okay, right now, so we are going on the next topic, limitations. So limitation first is mutual adjustment of want. So when the world are grow up socially as well as economically, the needs of people are change, continuously improve the needs, taste and preferences. This is made the economic system is very complicated. As for example, those who had a rice to exchange the wheat did not need a wheat but cloth under the barter, while on other hand, one who had a cloth did not want to rice but want to oil in exchange of cloth. It means, ex for example, कि जो फार्मर है उसके पास वीट का प्रोडक्शन है, वीट के सामने उसको राइस चाहिए, बट राइस वाले को राइट नाउ वीट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइस वाले को ज़रूरत क्या है, क्लोथ की ज़रूरत है. बट अब वो क्लोथ वाला क्या बोलेगा, मुझे राइस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वी आर डिमांडिंग फॉर ऑयल. ओके. सो वीट वाले को राइस चाहिए, राइस वाले को वीट नहीं चाहिए, राइस वाले को क्लोथ चाहिए और क्लोथ वाले को ऑयल चाहिए, राइस नहीं चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ द लिमिटेशन फॉर द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ द वांट. ओके. नाउ सेकंड थिंग इज दैट the barter system assume coincidence of wants as a continued process. This is the coincidence may not hold a true always, and the trader willing to exchange may not be need of item that other trader while at the time of the exchange. The service as major limitation of barter system. It means the major system is means कि wheat के against में rice, राइस वाले को वीट नहीं चाहिए, राइस वाले को क्लोथ चाहिए, बट क्लोथ वाले को नहीं वीट चाहिए नहीं राइस चाहिए, उसको चाहिए ऑयल. सो ऑयल वाला वही बोलेगा कि मुझे क्लोथ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे शूज़ चाहिए. सो दैर इज़ अ लिमिटेशंस. एंड वो शूज़ वाला बोलेगा मुझे शूज़ के सामने ऑयल नहीं चाहिए, मुझे क्लोथ चाहिए. तो देर आर दी सम लिमिटेशन. ओके. To mutual adjustment of the want. Okay. Now next limitation is that key difficulty for the storage. Now the barter system, the problem of storage of exchange in the olden days or acquire the goods or wealth. For example, farmer had a store a large amount of crop, that too for the very long period, in order to fulfill even the simplest needs like a shoes cloth that he may need in futures. This is the become practically impossible. अगर किसी फार्मर ने लार्ज 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 अमाउंट में प्रोडक्शन किया है तो वो अपनी डेली नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई कर पाएगा, डेली नीड्स को. ओके, गॉट इट. बट अब कपड़े हैं, शूज़ है, वो तो डेली नीड्स है ही नहीं. सो देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चंस टू अवेलेबल सरप्लस productions, how become a store. Okay, there is a questions in the barter system. A person like farmer produce the goods in large volume had to immediately exchange his goods against the other goods or services. In case he failed to do this, he had to store his large volume of production for a long time, which is not possible. So in the olden days, there is a difficulty in the storing value because available surplus of the production, we exchange the goods and services against the goods and services for the daily basis. But like the shoes and clothes are not arise from the daily needs. Okay, so there is a questions arise how to become a store, because in the olden days there is no questions, there is a problem into storage the goods and services. Okay. Now next and the last is that limitation is problem of measurement of value. When the world moved toward the division of labor and the specializations problem of measurement the value of the product, the goods or service on equal wages. Okay. As for example, it is very easy to exchange wheat for rice and also easy to maintain their rates. But economic development took a place, server goods and service are started getting the exchange. This is made exchange of product like wheat with other goods or service is very difficult. It means कि 1 kg wheat के सामने आपको कितना राइस मिलेगा, 5 kg wheat के सामने आपको कितना ऑयल मिलेगा, 10 kg wheat के सामने आपके कितना घी मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ 5 kg wheat के सामने कितना क्लोथ मिलेगा, 10 kg wheat के सामने क्या आपके कितने शूज़ मिलेंगे. सो दिस आर दी डिफ़िकल्टीज एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू रिमेंबर द मेजरमेंट वैल्यू ऑफ द वीट फार्मर. ओके, कि वीट के सामने उसको कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मिलेगी और किस मात्रा में मिलेगी. Got it? So this is the point telling that कि how much wheat are exchange, okay, to getting another goods and services. So there is a division of the labors and the specializations problem of measurement the value of the product. अगर division of labor हो गया, specialization हो गई, so problem तो होगी ना कि भाई किस चीज़ की कितनी costing निकलेगी, किस की चीज़ की कितनी गुड्स एंड सर्विस की कॉस्टिंग निकलेगी. इसीलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि 1 kg वीट के सामने 2 kg राइस. सो इट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑन द इक्वल बेसिस दैट टाइम अराइज. ओके, it was easy to exchange wheat for the rice and also it easy to maintain their rates, but in the olden times it is very difficult to remember the all rate against the wheat. Okay, got it? So I hope you are understand the videos. If you haven't not understand any kind of product, so telling in the comment sections, and I make another video as per your comments. So अब तक के लिए मुझे रजा दीजिए. Now we will meet on the next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.